morning, Marianne.
Hello, Tracy.
So today we're going to tell you a little bit about our paintbrushes. So right here I have our round silk paintbrush, and
That's
we
the
have
X large.
two different sizes.
Yep.
This one is our extra large. You can see that the is a bigger density. So we use this on with our 8-ounce wax. It fits nicely into our container. This one is mostly used to paint on material. So any type of fabric, if you'd like to paint a piece of furniture like your sofa, pillows, t-shirt projects, anything that is a fabric material, this works really well. We also have a smaller one.
Yeah, it's the 16 millimeter. This one is shorter, and it's mainly used for the 4 ounces metal tin waxes, and it goes nicely into the wax. The reason why we tend to use a paintbrush, like a wax brush, rather than using a cloth, it's because all the wax will stay on the cloth and you'll have to buy more wax. And if you use a wax brush, you'll be able to apply it evenly and until the end. So it will go from the beginning to the end.
Okay, so with the cloth, it absorbs more of your wax,
Right.
so you end up using more of the product, so the brush is ideal for these kind of projects.
Yes.
So now we're going to talk about our oval brushes. We have two different kinds. We have this purple one that is our synthetic brush. It has a 6 millimeter and a 10 millimeter, and we also have our natural silk brushes.
Yeah, this one is called European. This one is 35 millimeter, and this one is 55 millimeter. The difference is mostly because of the bristle. Those ones are natural silk bristles, whereas those ones are synthetic. They clean easily with the synthetic. It's easier to clean it, but with those you can also use it for fabric, to paint fabric, and you can also use it for with waxes.
Okay, so this one here we recommend if you're redoing your chairs. It works really well to get in all the hard spots on the spindles on the backs of your chairs, so you see that it fits in the rounded areas and it covers very well. So here we have 3 other brushes. We have 2 angular brushes, as well as this one here with the flat bristles. This one here is called our Snow White paintbrush, as well as, like I said, these 2 angled brushes.
And those kind of brushes, the angular and the flat one, are used mainly for any kind of project and any kind of product too, like varnish, glaze, metallic paint, and regular chalk-based paint. So it's very versatile.
This one here fits in all our sizes, so it fits in the 4-ounce tins. It fits into our jars, as well as any other size that we have.
Okay, so this one is the foam brush, and this one is very cheap to purchase. Also, what you can do with this one is mainly used for the image transfer medium. So when you do surface, you apply and it removes the exceedant. And also we use it for tabletops when you apply varnish.
So we have 2 sizes of our hand sanitizer and brush cleaner. So we have an 8-ounce and a 32-ounce. In our soaps, there's pumice, so it helps to really get in and get the grit when you're cleaning your paintbrush. So I just put a little bit in the palm of my hand. I take my brush, slowly turn it around, try and get all the bristles to remove all the excess paint. Afterwards, you just do a rinse under warm water and gently remove all the paint that's remaining in your brushes.
And the scent is very good too.
It's very appealing. It smells like mango.
Mango, so you'll really enjoy. And it's also an exfoliant for your skin.
So here you see we have a collection of artist brushes. We have some with different angles. We have a fan brush. some round brushes. So anybody who's into tool painting or uses it on a piece of furniture that has detail and you'd like to get in so that it enhances it a bit more, these brushes help.
And finally, we want to talk to you about our velvet foam rolls. They are sold in pack of 2 or as a refill, or in in the tray with 2 rolls too. And what
so we like to use them if you're painting a table, if you're painting a piece of furniture. It helps to cover a bigger surface. So it also has better results than with a paintbrush because you won't have the trace of your paintbrush.
And it's very soft. All the customer enjoy using those. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.